Hey, this is Jimmy with Truck Builders, and today we have here KHEAA Winnebago. I'll be giving you a tutorial on how the components of this vehicle function. Okay, first things first, we're going to start with the driver's side of the vehicle. Down here we have the generator. Now, with the generator, in order to turn it on and off from the inside, you want to make sure it's on auto. Once you click on auto, you can go inside and press it on the little panel that's designed for the generator. Turn it on and you can turn it off. Okay, as we head down along the vehicle, we have this compartment over here. You got your diesel. As we head down further, down here is your 50 amp outlet. So the vehicle will come with a 25 feet 50 amp extension as well as a 50 amp adapter. That way, if you don't want to use the generator within an enclosed area, you can use the adapter connected to an extension and connected to an external outsource, as well as you can just connect to another generator. Okay, as we head down further, we have more compartment alongside the vehicle. Another compartment, as well as we keep opening the other door for storage. Okay, so onto this specific compartment, you will find your battery bank to the right, and to the left you got your hydraulics fluid system. Okay, so onto the front compartment, which is the last one. Here you have your diesel exhaust fluid tank. Okay, so down here where the steps are at, you have this little switch panel. This will be your compartment lights, which will be the lights for the compartments on the exterior, your on and off. This will be your outer level storage. That way, if you want to access it from here instead of the dashboard, you can level it, outer level, or store them like normal. This will be your sensor stair switch, right? So if you don't want the stairs to automatically extend and retract when you open the door, you just want to press the off button, right? Now, if you want to turn it on, you want to pull this red tab backwards and turn it to the on position. Okay, so once you close the door, the steps should retract inwards. Once you open the door, the stairs should retract outwards. Okay, so onto the slide out here on this breaker panel. First thing first that you want to do is right here. It says master slide room control switch. You want to turn the key to the right to the on position. Once you've done that, this will be aligned the same as this. So the first one is the room slide out. The right one will be the left room slide out. So right now we will activate the left one. Right now we want to unlock it. And when we unlock it, it's going to make a little noise. Hold it for about 3 seconds. Once that is done, you should be able to access the in and out. And this light will turn on when it's being accessed. So at this moment, I'm pressing the out and the room is sliding. As I'm holding the button out, the room is extending outwards. Keep holding it until it reaches. There you go. Okay, so onto the passenger side slide out. So first things first, unlock it. Hold it for about 3 seconds. Then you want to extend it outwards. Once it doesn't extend, that's it. Okay, so with this slide out, first thing first you want to do is remove this pin to extend it outwards. Since the height, it's a little bit above 3 to 4 feet. We want to make sure we can extend this outwards. You can decide how much you want it extend it. So you can extend it how long you want it and just put the pin back up. Now up here, you want to hold this from the very bottom where the threads are at, so that way your fingers do not get squeezed into. So from there, put the adapter on, turn the knob. From there on, it's steady, tight, and ready to support the room. Okay, so now that we have extended the room slide out, we will do the same procedure as the driver's side room. Slide out. Just put a central, and then just extend it outwards. Tight and easy. All right, so now to fully explain what this whole side of the wall is. Here you got your 12 volts panel. This power button activates these 4 switches, same as this one. Once you turn it on, it activates these 4 switches. We're gonna start with the front right ceiling lights. So right now they're at their high, and their middle it's off, and below is dim. Same procedure for the front left, right rear, and left rear. The next 2 are the ceiling extractor, and the right one is the entrance floodlight, the floodlight that lights up the whole area. And then to the right is your room slide out, the right and the left. And these are your breakers, just in case one tends to trip out, just press the button and it will reset itself. Same thing for the power buttons. And on to the left, you got your power awning switch, which is the first one that allows power to flow through. The second one is your awning extend and retract. So if you press the upper button, that's extending it. If you press the bottom button, that's retracting the awning. And then to the right, the awning has a built-in light. So once you press that, a little light should start illuminating. And to the right, your 4th switch is your AC control model switch. So once you turn on this, you will be able to access these AC control modules, right? So you can set it to cool or hot, set the temperature, and how high or low you want the fan. And then to the very left, you got your ceiling extractor. So once you grab this, you want to go under the ceiling extractor, which is in the middle of that opening. Press the fan on and off, and you can set the speed, or if you want it open or closed in order to extract air. Last but not least, here you got your generator panel. So it tells you the hours, and to the right you got your start and stop. So once you have set your generator to automatic, from here you can turn it on and you can turn it off. So here you have your on and off. Here you have your extend and retract for the little door. And then you got your up and down to set your speed of the fan, or you can set it to auto. Okay, so these are where your iPads are going to be located at. And up here, you got your storage cabinets. Over here, you got your router. As we head down further. All right, so in this cabinet, you will have your RedLink camera system. And over here on this compartment, you will have your monitor, which you can see your cameras through them, as well as you can monitor your color light system for the flooring. Okay, so in order to turn on the flooring, you want to make sure that back here you have this little mini PC, which right now we have a little red light, and you just want to press that button. It will turn the blue, meaning that it's turning on, as well as you want to turn on your color light display system. Once that is on, you want to go ahead and log in real quick. The keyboard will be in this compartment. 11233456 will be your password. Okay, so first things first, once you're inside and you're logged in, you want to go ahead and click on this icon that says iSend. Okay, so this page will appear. First things first, you want to do is head to this sensor configuration. You want to go here where it says sensor detection. From there, you want to check all of them. After that, you want to close the tab. From there, you want to go to play settings. You want to select the first one or the second one.
Hit play.
And hit play. All right, so this is an interactive panel. As you keep walking along, more stuff should start appearing, which you'll be able to interact with as you walk along. So this procedure that we just went through, you have to do it every time you turn on the vehicle. And from there on, you should make sure that you don't touch nothing else. Just follow the same procedures in order to activate the flooring, as well as you should not touch anything that has to do with the parameters, or we will have to restart with the mapping of the flooring and the sensors. So above here, you will have your regular microwave. Below here in this compartment, you will have your refrigerator.
Okay.
All right, so onto the breaker panel. Above, you will have your main, which is 1718. That's the first that you want to turn on. Your number 1 is your front, second AC unit. Number 3 will be your outlet number 4. Number 4 will be your rear AC unit. Number 5 will be your TV and Bose surround speaker system. Number 6 will be your Bluetooth receiver and your microphone system. Number 8 will be your passenger side 6 iPad. Number 9 will be your flooring display. Number 10 will be your flooring display and your mini PC. Number 12 will be your camera monitor and your digital clock. Number 13 will be your color light system. Number 14 will be your refrigerator. 15 will be your outlet number 5. 16 will be your microwave. And of course, 17 and 18 will be your main. All right, so this will be aligned with the same numbers that are on top. So from 1 through 18, you will have the same numbers up here. 1 through 18, they will be aligned. So now below to the bottom breaker panel, number 1 will be your passenger side 5th iPad. Number 2 will be your passenger side 1st iPad. Number 3 will be your passenger side 3rd iPad. Number 4 will be your passenger side 2nd iPad. Number 5th breaker will be your passenger side 4th iPad and your exterior TV. Number 6 will be your outlet number 6. Number 7 will be your entrance digital clock. Number 8 will be your converter charger. Number 9 will be your front AC unit. Number 10 will be your 3rd rear AC unit. Number 11 will be your driver's side 2nd iPad. Number 12 will be your driver's side 8th iPad. Number 13 will be your driver's side 4th iPad. Number 14 will be your driver's side 4th iPad as well as outlet number 2. Number 15 will be your driver's side 7th iPad and outlet number 1. Number 16 will be your driver's side 1st iPad and your RedLink camera system. Number 17 will be your Starlink antenna and your driver's side 5th iPad. Number 18 will be your driver's side 6th iPad. All right, so just to be clear, these will be your passenger side iPads. To the right will be your driver's side. This is your 6th, your 5th, your 4th, your 3rd, your 2nd, and your 1st. Up here, you got some more storage compartment. As we head down further along the cabinets, this one right here, you will have your Bluetooth receiver as well as your microphone system. Okay. All right. So if you want to activate the microphone system, you want to make sure that the Bluetooth receiver is on, as well as in input 1, not 2, not 3. In 1, as well as your speakers cannot be A or B. It needs to be A plus B. And then from there on, you want to make sure that your pile system is on, as well as turn on your microphone. From there on, this one adjusts the microphone volume, and this one to the first, It says music, adjust the volume for the outside speakers. So right now we will test it. Testing 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this is how it sounds like when the Bluetooth receiver and the microphone system is on, as well as the music level should be turned all the way, and this is how it sounds. Okay, so in this compartment, you will have your controller for your ramp, which we will access right now. You want to open the door. Right? Okay, so now that the key ignition is on the on position, you will be able to access this right away. You want to extend it outwards with the down button. Keep holding it down. Keep holding it down once the ramp fully extends downward, so that way the wheelchair can be lifted on. From there on, you want to press the up button, which it will retract the little ramp, and from there start extending upwards. And when you do this, you want to make sure that the door is open all the way, so that way it doesn't collide with the ramp. Press the up button and it will lift it all the way up. From there, you want to bring it down and put it in the stow position to put it away. Okay, so onto this interactive TV. Down below, you have your USB ports. To the right, you have your HDMIs and USB ports as well. So what we want to do is plug on the USB, and we have a drive within it. Go to your USB, go to your contents. Okay, you want to press that 2 times, and from there on, you just want to click on the video. As well as down below, you have your Bose surround system, so that way I'm gonna raise up the volume. Okay, so in order to access the stabilizers, you want to make sure that the vehicle has its parking brake on. The ignition key is on the on position. From there on, a orange light should appear, which will tell you that it's ready. You can auto level it, auto store it, or cancel it, or you can do it manually. So you can press these switches and you can decide however leveled you want your vehicle. The best way should be auto leveling it, let it do itself, and it will stabilize. And if you want to store it away, just click this button, auto store. And if you want to cancel the procedure, just press the button cancel. And once you extend the jacks all the way down, you should have this little red light turn on, as well as, okay, so for the wheelchair, in order to access it, you want to make sure that the key is in the on position. Same procedure.